Hey everyone, I'm Mackenzie and welcome back to the Bambiz channel. Today we're talking about Facebook and why it's a gold mine for elder law and estate planning attorneys. Let's face it, social media is constantly changing, but amidst all the updates, one platform remains a powerful tool for elder law and estate planning attorneys: Facebook. Now you might be thinking, isn't Facebook for teenagers these days? Well, the answer is no. Recent studies by Pew Research Center show a surprising trend. Here's the exciting news. A whopping 69% of people between 50 and 68 years old are active Facebook users. That's a huge chunk of your target audience right there. And it gets better. 58% of people over 65 are also on Facebook. This is what makes Facebook unique compared to other platforms. Unlike YouTube, where there's a big user gap between young and old, Facebook bridges all the age differences. People from all walks of life are scrolling through their feeds, making it the perfect place to connect with potential clients. So, why exactly is Facebook so important? It all boils down to connection. Whether it's seniors planning their future or adults looking to protect their assets, Facebook is where they're actively engaging. By having a presence there, you can reach out and connect with them directly. Now, leveraging Facebook's power goes beyond just creating a page. It's about crafting strategic content, interacting with your audience, and running targeted ads that resonate with them. The message is clear. Facebook is a treasure trove of potential clients for your elder law or estate planning practice. If you're ready to tap into this gold mine and turn views into consultations, then we can help. At Bambiz, we understand the specific needs of elder law and estate planning marketing. Schedule a free 15-minute call with us today. Let's discuss how we can amplify your online presence and connect you with the clients who need your services the most. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing tips for elder law and estate planning practices. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments and we will be happy to help.